Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial: Fixing divide by zero errors in programming. A divide by zero error occurs when a program attempts to divide a number by zero, which is mathematically undefined. This can lead to runtime errors and crashes if not handled properly. Below are several strategies to fix or prevent divide by zero errors, along with code examples in Python. Understanding the problem. When you perform a division operation in programming, you must ensure the denominator is not zero. Here's a simple example that would cause a divide by zero error. Strategies to fix divide by zero errors. 1. Check for zero before division. The most straightforward way is to check if the denominator is zero before performing the division. 2. Using exception handling. In languages that support exceptions, you can use try except blocks to handle the error gracefully. 3. Return a default value. If you want the function to return a specific value when a division by zero occurs, you can do so. 4. Using conditional expressions. You can also use conditional expressions, ternary operators, to provide a more concise solution. 5. Handling user input. If the denominator comes from user input, you should always validate the input. Conclusion. Handling divide by zero errors is crucial for creating robust and user-friendly applications. By implementing checks, using exception handling, or returning default values, you can effectively manage these types of errors. Always remember to validate user input and consider edge cases in your calculations. Feel free to adapt these examples to your specific programming language or environment, as the principles are applicable across many languages.